Aspen Loop Trail. Okay, that sounds good. Let's go down that one. I have no idea where this heads, but assuming all of these trails should lead you eventually to the lake. Well, I hope so anyways. Although this looks like the path less taken. Good morning. Or afternoon almost, I guess. Nice little wooden walkway. It's got to lead somewhere. Or does it? No, it's just a little view. Oh, I thought it was maybe a viewpoint, but it looks like it carries on. No trail markers, so basically you just go where you go and hope you end up where you're supposed to be. No problem. Does this lead to the bridge across the lake thing, or?
Well, it's way closer going the other direction.
Like turn around and go back where I was?
Yeah, turn around, go past the parking lot, and the bridge is much closer there.
Okay, so what's up here though? Is it anything?
Well, it's just
Nice.
Do you see the lake?
It's a lovely loop, and you can see the lake
Perfect.
up ahead.
That's all that counts. Thank you.
2.5K all the way around, so
Ah.
it's not that far.
So is it one continuous loop though, or is there a bunch of different trails?
No, it's continuous.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Perfect.
Maybe you're right.
There's the lake way over there. Okay, so I took the path less traveled. I took the path that goes all the way on the other side. That's the lake I wanted to go and see. Oh, well. Carry on. You're faster than me, I bet.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah. It doesn't look very inviting. Hey, let's go for a swim.
But it's funny, you know, like, again, we applaud these people that want billions of dollars, and yet if they were collecting newspapers or bottle caps, we'd have a fucking intervention for these people, right? We put them in a padded room somewhere and have a long chat with them.
Yeah, well, I
But
gotta
because
admit,
they're
I'm
earning
of the
money
same
that they
thing.
can never use. When all this stuff comes into conversation, which it does often, I keep saying to myself, God, I'm glad I'm old.
Yeah.
You know?
You too. As I'm at the end of it, I'm not going to see the
Right.
I'm not going to see the full nature of the dystopian society that's coming.
Right? Exactly. Fun talking to you.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you.
My
too.
name's Mitch.
Mitch Paul.
Oh, nice to have met you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too.
Cheers. Have a good one.
Yep. See you later. What you looking for?
A bird?
Did you find one?
No, I just hear it.
I know there's a sign there says, "Oh, please help monitor the painted turtle thing" or whatever. And I'm like, okay. So I stood there and looked for a while. Went, okay, 0. There isn't any. God, there's green slime all over the place here. And look down there. Look at all the green slime. That is just. Yeah. Well, it's a fairly long walkway. Carries on. This looks like the path more taken, so I will go this way. There are no signs, no nothing. Maybe these signs will tell me. Rock steps. Oh, looks like somebody's house. I have no idea where I'm going. Or another loop. Does this one go anywhere? There's some people who might know.